When you hear Wise Bank, it's natural to assume it operates like a traditional bank, tied to a specific country. However, as a finance expert, I can tell you that Wise's global footprint is far more expansive and nuanced than that. It's not about which country uses Wise Bank, but rather in which countries can you use Wise's services, and to what extent? Wise, formerly TransferWise, is a financial technology company, or fintech, that specializes in international money transfers and multi-currency accounts. It operates under various regulatory licenses across the globe, allowing it to serve a vast network of users. Let's delve into its truly international nature. Wise's global presence. A network of licenses. Wise isn't a single bank headquartered in one nation that extends its branches globally. Instead, it operates through a network of e-money institution, EMI, and money services business, MSB, licenses obtained from financial regulators in numerous countries. This means that while your Wise account might be technically held by a Wise entity in, say, Belgium for European users or the UK for UK users, the services themselves are accessible and regulated in a vast array of nations. Think of it like this. A global airline might have its headquarters in one country, but it flies to and from hundreds of destinations, adhering to the air traffic regulations of each. Similarly, Wise is headquartered in the UK, but its services are available in a multitude of countries, each with its own set of rules that Wise must comply with. Where can you open a Wise account and hold money? Wise allows users to open multi-currency accounts and hold balances in a significant number of currencies. As of my last check, you can open a Wise account and hold money if your registered address is in one of the many supported countries and regions, which include, but are not limited to, major economic hubs, United States with some state exceptions like Nevada, United Kingdom, Eurozone countries, e.g., Germany, France, Italy, Spain, Netherlands, Belgium, Australia, Canada, New Zealand, Japan, Singapore. Other key regions. Brazil, for BRL balances, you usually need to be a Brazilian tax resident. Hong Kong balances generally for business accounts. Malaysia, Philippines balances typically for personal accounts. India balances generally not for personal accounts, but businesses can receive money, South Africa, and many more across Europe, Asia, and other continents. The list of countries where you can open a Wise balance is quite extensive. It's important to note that the specific features available can sometimes vary by country. For instance, in some regions, you might be able to open a personal account but not a business account or vice versa. The power of local account details. One of Wise's most powerful features is its ability to provide local account details for certain currencies. This is where the concept of using Wise like a local bank truly comes into play. For instance, if you're a freelancer in Nigeria receiving payments from a client in the UK, Wise can provide you with UK account number and sort code. This means your UK client can pay you via a local transfer in GBP, avoiding international wire transfer fees, and the money arrives in your Wise account. Wise offers local account details for many major currencies, including US dollars, USD routing number, account number, British pounds, GBP sort code, account number, IBAN, Euros, Euro IBAN, Australian dollars, AUD BSB code, account number, New Zealand dollars, NZD account number, Singapore dollars, SGD bank name, bank code, account number, Canadian dollars, CAD institution number, transit number, account number, Hungarian forint, HUF account number, Polish zloty, PLN account number, Romanian leu, RON IBAN, and others like Bulgarian lev, BGN, Czech koruna, CZK, Danish krone, DKK, Hong Kong dollar, HKD, Japanese yen, JPY, Norwegian krone, NOK, Swedish krona, SEK, Swiss franc, CHF, Turkish lira, TRY, Ugandan shilling, UGX, and South African rand, ZAR. Though the exact local receiving methods, e.g., local bank transfer versus SWIFT, can differ, this extensive provision of local details makes Wise a go-to solution for individuals and businesses operating across borders, effectively bridging traditional banking systems. Where can you send money with Wise? The reach for sending money with Wise is even broader than where you can hold money. Wise allows users to send money to over 160 countries in more than 40 currencies. This vast network covers most of the world, making it a truly global solution for remittances, international payments, and business transactions. However, there are a handful of countries and regions that Wise does not support for sending or receiving money due to international sanctions, geopolitical reasons, or other regulatory complexities. These typically include countries like Afghanistan, Belarus, Burundi, Central African Republic, Cuba, Eritrea, Iran, Iraq, Libya, Myanmar, North Korea, Russia, Somalia, South Sudan, Sudan, Syria, Venezuela, and certain regions in Ukraine, Crimea, Donetsk, Luhansk, Kherson, Zaporizhia. It's crucial for users to check Wise's official website for the most up-to-date list of supported and unsupported countries.